Yung path ko was, hindi siya straightforward, no? As you said, it was a crooked line. I'm Patricia Colliantes, mother of 3, grandmother of 1. So I do side hustles in real estate. Tapos sometimes I design houses. I love to paint, no? Since I was a kid. Pero I took up BS Chem. Kasi yung mga friends ko BS Chem. And it made my mom happy. So after I graduated, nag-fine arts na ako sa College of the Holy Spirit. So I got married, had daughters, became a full-time mom, competed in mountain bike races with my husband. Tapos joined runs, yung mga marathon, became a mountaineer. Ang pinaka-first ko was hyper-realistic na marbles. Kasi it's the easiest eh. Actually, pinakamadali hyper-realism. Kasi you just copy eh. So after nun, may nagpa-paint na ng portrait. Small portrait Tapos the background was Tanis Lighthouse. So yung nagpa-portrait, ganyan na kaliit. So that's when I experimented on yung impression. Nakita ko pala, shape lang pala ng face. Mapapakita mo kung sino yun without details. Mga suggestions lang. Magkakaroon siya ng form. It was with, solo show, Leslie De Chavez in Lucban. Meron siyang parang gallery in Lucban. Nagulat nga ako when he asked me to have a solo exhibit. It's also exposing the unexposed. I find pictures of people doing mundane things interesting. What people do in their private moments. Walang art direction, di sila nagpo-pose. What they actually do every day. I saw Woodstock and people were like, parang nakaslump lang sa ground. Parang doing their own thing. So iba nakahubad, nakikinig ng magandang music. During that time kasi parang it was the age of freedom sa States eh. Pero dito sa Pilipinas kasi parang dapat lagi kang clean, proper. Kaya iniisip ko nun, kailan kaya magiging free yung mga tao dito. Tapos time yata na yung sa gera yata eh. We were trying to spread love and peace. Kaya ang mga stickers ng puro flowers, make love not war, di ba? I scroll, no? I see pictures. I see the colors, composition. Not the portrait of the people, no? The picture. But kung ano yung composition, kung ano yung relationship ng subject sa background. Tapos parang there's something na, ano kayang nangyayari nung nakunan tong picture na to? I would like the people to connect with the paintings. Parang I'm doing portraits of people's existence, what's really happening, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Maganda yan, minsan chaotic. It's part of being human. And let's not forget that.